Hello again. Look at the problem now. I have problem with the pulley bolt. See this one broken, and I have to remove the pulley. And there's another bolt underneath, all the way down. That's the connection of the pulley. See there, below the broken nut, it's a hiding spot. See this one? Yeah, that's the one. That bolt is 12 millimeter. That's the part of the tensioner. If you remove that, then the pulley is lose the tension.
Again.
And
Look at the problem now. I have problem with the pulley bolt. See this one broken, and I have to remove the pulley, and there's another bolt underneath, all the way down. That's the connection of the pulley. See there, below the broken nut, it's a hiding spot. See this one? Yeah, that's the one. That bolt is 12 millimeter. That's the part of the tensioner. If you remove that, then the pulley is lose the tension, and the belt is easy to remove. Okay, then I need to remove that bolt. See that, the one? You see that? Yeah, that bolt. It's so difficult. There's no space. Before that, there's a bolt there. See that bolt? That is 12 millimeter bolt. It's in a difficult area to reach. Okay, then I will find out some way. When you remove the AC line, see here, I put that one side, and you have more space. See, I touch the bolt and put little small extension here, and you can remove fast. See, that's why you have to remove the upper port of the AC connection here. See here, this one. I'm sorry. And remove this upper port. Remove the AC upper port connection and the pipe here. I put this pipe in a place. Now you can see a big space here, and you can reach the bolt very simply and easy. See, I connect the socket with that and put a small extension here, and now you have to see, it's easy to remove now. The pulley tensioner is coming off now, and the belt is getting loose. See, this is the broken part of the pulley bolt. It is actually 17 millimeter. Yeah, 17 millimeter socket, perfectly fit inside. When I pulled that little harder, then it was broken. It's so soft. You know, the hole here, see, it's a tiny material. It can hold the pressure. When you tight it, if you push that or pull that little bit harder, then it would break. That's why you have to be careful about that. Anyhow, it was broken. Now I will show you how to fix that, okay? You don't want to buy a new one. New one is about $165, the whole pulley. You want to buy that for this damage? No, that's not worth. You can fix it very simple way. I will show you. Watch my video and give me a subscription and a like. 2018. Now I am going to repair this. I will show you how to do that. This is 3/4. This is match with this, it's going here. And slowly hammer it. Don't break it. Slowly hammer it and penetrate up to here. Then it has more space inside, and you slowly penetrate inside. See how to going. Okay, this is the broken pulley. I found this is 3/4 inch socket. Yeah, see, 3/4 socket and 1/2 inch wrench. I'm going to hammer this inside. Now see that it's perfectly inside, and see the align, it's perfect. See, it's straight. The bolt is almost all the way in. And see here. It's a grab. Perfect. Now I'm going to put some what do you call metal helium inside and fill all the other gaps. I need only half inch breaker bar going inside, about 1 inch. I have plenty of room, more than 2 inch inside. Then I fill the melted lead inside and make it strong and fill all the space from here. This is going to help. I put a small tin and heat it, and I'm going to put this lead. It is for fishing, I think it is about 20 grams, something like that. I put it inside and let it now 5. I need 5 minutes to melt. Lead inside, you can see that. I have another pulley, it was broken. Same way I found the socket. This is tire bolt socket. It fits pretty much here, and I hammer it inside and put the melted lead, you can see there, and it's make more firm and strong. Actually, this one is now better than the original one. This bolt is very tight, and you can put a 1/2 inch breaker bar inside here and remove the the belt, tensioner belt or serpentine belt, whatever you call. This is the easy way to fix instead of buy a new one. A new one is about $160. A Honda. This is for Honda Civic. This one is 2.0, the engine size. This one is the Honda Civic 1.7 liter engine. It's a small engine, same engine. I repair this because this one lose this bolt, like see here, there's a washer inside, and it was broken. See, then it is making noise. Then I remove that and put a new washer inside, and this is the old part. I put the new washer inside and I covered that. And also the other problem, the pulley bolt is broken sometime, that's a problem there. It broken, like this is T-socket. When you want to remove this is T-socket. I think T40, something like that. Yeah. These are the problem, the pulleys, but you can repair it easy. You can see here, this also T-socket. You can change this bolt, and you can also do this, remove this here. Everything is T-socket, and change this one. And if you broke the tension bolt, and you can fix it like this. So many ways to do the job, and it doesn't cost you too much. You can save the money. This is the information I give you today. Give me a like and subscribe. This is the bolt coming, it's a mounting bolt inside, going inside all the way to the engine mount. This one is, this socket is coming up here, like this. The engine bolt, mounting bolt is coming all the way. See, I'm sorry, I'm filming, and yeah, all the way like this. See here, this part is broken. Yeah, the mounting bolt is like that. This part, upper this here, is going inside the engine mount, and now it is broken. See, that's broken. This bolt is not that much expensive. It's about $4 in Honda dealer. You can buy there. Only $4. Mounting bolt, the pulley mounting bolt is broken. Sometime it broke, and you need to buy a new one. That's a special one because of, see, like this. The bolt is something special. See, it's not other bolts. This is a broken upper part, and the lower part is like this.